Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Those of you that are just passing through, I am Shay. I do planner related hobbies, planning on this channel. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. Hopefully you find something entertaining on this channel or something motivational where you'll want to stick around and join this little happy family that we have created here on YouTube. I go by Plan.adayshay. You can also find me on Instagram. So if you're looking for more planner content, happy mail, things of that sort, jump on over to Instagram and give me a follow as well. So you guys, today's video is all about getting my memory planner ready for the next week, which goes into the first couple of days of February. And you guys, my 2024 planners, I have been doing very well in them and not planner hopping. So I've got to give myself a pat on the back. And I also want to give a shout out to one of my followers here on the channel. I think her name is Psychedelic something. She has given me some good ideas for some upcoming planner videos. So stick around for that. I heard you loud and clear, Psychedelic Planner. I'm sorry if I have just screwed your name up, but I heard you loud and clear. And yeah, I have got that written down and I am working on that, or I will be working on that beginning next week. So because it is the last week of January that I'm filming here in the memory planner, I wanted to go ahead and get into a little bit of Valentine's. Well, not really, but kind of Valentine's related. So I had this, I was shopping my stash, you guys. You can find amazing treasures in your stash. I was shopping my stash and I found this kit here from Constanzze. It was a collab with the Got Wax shop. And, you know, I love just different, unique stickers. And I love just trying out different things in my planner. So what we have here is a collaboration kit between Constanzze and Got Wax. And both of these shops are known for their, like, I want to say variety of planner stickers. It's mostly kind of like, I know a lot of people want to put the term goth on it, but for me, it's just different and unique and creative and fun. So I wanted to bring in this kit. And it's called Magic. And you know, you've got your day of the week. You've got some washi. Look at this washi. We've got some headers. Just some other cute, fun elements just to play around with. And then let me see what else was in this little bag here. Oh, just a planner card. Oh, maybe, hold on. This kit came in one of the Got Wax sub boxes, which Raven is no longer offering, but it was part of the Dark Side of the Moon subscription box. And of course, there's a planner journal card, and we've got a little script here, or a little definition, slang, nargle. I thought I saw some ducats. Okay, yeah, she's cute. So let's get into it. Let's bust February wide open with something different. So this is this week in my memory planner, and today is only Tuesday, so I need to go back and do Monday and then sit down tonight and do Tuesdays. But at the end of January, I will do like just a quick flip of this, but I don't want to do that now. I want to go ahead and get into the planning. So, you guys, did you guys see my last setup video? It was like an hour and something long. And I'm like, oh my gosh, people are not going to sit there and watch that. They're going to be bored out of their dang on minds. So, I am not going to sit here and talk you to death. I am just going to put you guys on fast forward, and I'm just going to let you watch, because you probably, if you saw that last video, you had enough of me talking, right? Of course you did. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and get to planning. See you guys in a minute. All right, you guys, I am finished. Let me zoom you in a little more so you can get a good close view. So, you guys probably saw me fumbling through a lot of different stuff. I ended up pulling out some elements from Spooky Babe stickers and the BEPD shop. I used to PR for these shops. Both have just amazing, different, alternative style stickers. And so I remembered that I had them in my stash, and I was like, ooh, that'll go great. So starting off the week, you saw me lay down the day of the week headers, and then I used some of those, the little deco stars from Spooky Babe stickers, just to kind of like make the page kind of jump out a little bit so that they wouldn't be, the numbers wouldn't be right up on the white paper. And over here, I always, for the week, I just list important things that happened during the week. And I usually do that after I filled in the entire spread. I keep track of everything I eat. So just decided to have some fun with some boxes that I had in my stash that went along with the color scheme. And you noticed how I threw some purple in there. You guys, purple is my favorite color. These deco, all the other deco came from that kit here, which was a collab. And then at the bottom, I also have these from BEPD shop. They are called the skinny dates. And they're just the dates written out in words. So I wanted to use some washi, but I didn't want it to overpower the spread because there's a lot of different elements and shapes and things going on. So I thought that that would be cute just to kind of frame my page a little bit. And so, yeah, and I used a sticker from Southern Belle Plans here. That was in their February subscription to let me know that we're going into the month of February. And then we're ending on a Sunday. So, you guys, I know this was a different type of plan with me. Many people can't get into, you know, the different forms of artwork, but I love it. And it's just amazing what you can do with different creations. So let me know what you think, guys. Drop me a comment and let me know if this is kind of like not your thing, or, you know, it's different, but you kind of like it. I wonder how a lot of you feel about this. So, yeah, here is the next week in my memory planner. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.